Doc, I can only echo. I mean, every person that's met him, and your dad also, Flippy. I'm sure he's got the same situation. He's just an absolute incredible man and a genius. And yeah, he had such a big impact on all of us.
Very first book was Doc Craven's ABC of Rugby.
Yeah, that's right. ABC of Rugby. I actually failed that in university, you know that.
All right.
They wanted me for another year at Stellenbosch, so they failed me.
Well, they wanted you to play more rugby, man.
Yeah.
Awesome, Rob. And isn't it amazing how those mentors early in our career shape the person we become and how we grow? Sean, did you have mentors in the surfing in South Africa, or did you have to go to Hawaii to find them?
No, my big mentor was my father. You know, he loved sport. My father loved sport. He loved sportsmen, but particularly, you know, he came to love surfing, which was something. Yes, he surfed when he was, you know, when he was young, but as surfing started to progress, he was sort of right at the forefront of being a visionary.